Here's a Olympia SF typewriter, 1967. Some of the features here is the bail paper support, carriage release. The tabs are manually set, the tabs in the back with a red indicator here on both sides. Line spacing. There is no tabulator on this machine. This is a travel typewriter, and they try to eliminate as many things as possible to lighten the load. This weighs like 9.35 pounds. It uses a standard spool, and this is the touch control on how light or heavy you want to push on the keys. And on the back side here's where you control the margins. Someone scratched a number. I don't know if it's a driver's license number or what here and here. This is so this is what happens when it travels through time. 1967. There's a little wear here on the edge here. The typewriter arm drops down for storage, lifts up, and over here is the color, so you can select red, black, or stencil. Stencil is when it doesn't type any color at all. It's for making stencils for doing the old copy machines they had in school many years ago. Has typical keys on it. This is a very nice machine. The bottom is a full bottom, typical with travel typewriters, but no dents. Sometimes these get dented up just from use and everything because they're exposed. This is the case, a fake leather case with a zipper. Zipper works fine, and there's some aging on these brass-like buckles here for the handle, and then of course you get this there's a new ribbon installed, plus you get another new black and red ribbon, and then some paper in there. See if we can get a close-up shot of this. Okay, we have and then we have red, and I tell you, this has a wonderful cursive font to this typewriter. There's that. Here's what I typed up earlier right here. A very wonderful script. It's also called font, which you don't see too often on any typewriter, but especially a travel typewriter. Thank you for watching this video. Of this Olympia travel typewriter. It's an SF. Not sure what the SF stands for, but it also says deluxe in here. And that's about it. Thank you very much.